Getting bored, bosan. Toward, menuju. Miss, ketinggalan. Otherwise, kalau tidak, silly, bodoh. Harm, membahayakan. Bonnet, kap mesin mobil. Peek, mengintip. Fiddle around, bermain-main. Eventually, akhirnya. Once upon a time, there was a cat. Her name was Pussy. She used to live in a small, beautiful house in a village. It was summer and the sun was shining brightly in the sky. Pussy, the cat, was getting bored at home and thought, "Why don't I go out for a drive in the countryside and then to the beach?" Pada suatu hari ada seekor kucing, namanya Pussy. Dia tinggal di sebuah rumah kecil yang indah di sebuah desa. Saat itu musim panas dan matahari bersinar terang di langit. Pussy, si kucing, mulai bosan di rumah dan berpikir, bagaimana kalau aku pergi jalan-jalan ke pedesaan dan kemudian ke pantai? She came out of her house and took out her red-colored car. She started driving towards the beach. Suddenly, she heard a sound. Meh, meh. She looked around and saw there was a sheep standing by the road. Dia keluar dari rumahnya dan mengeluarkan mobilnya yang berwarna merah. Dia mulai mengemudi menuju pantai. Tiba-tiba dia mendengar suara me, me. Dia melihat sekeliling dan melihat ada seekor domba berdiri di pinggir jalan. The sheep asked Pussy, "Hi, can you drive me to the market please? I need to buy some vegetable and I have missed my bus." But Pussy and the sheep started driving towards the market. They reached the market and Pussy dropped the sheep off. Domba itu bertanya pada Pussy, "Hai, bisakah Anda membawa saya ke pasar? Saya perlu membeli beberapa sayuran dan saya ketinggalan bus." Baik Pussy dan domba mulai mengemudi menuju pasar. Mereka sampai di pasar dan Pussy menurunkan domba. Pussy thought, "I must rush now otherwise I will be late for the beach." She started driving again. Suddenly, a big bear came and stopped in front of her car. "Oh my," Pussy thought. "I will be late then." She added. The bear said, "Where are you going to, silly cat?" Pussy berpikir, "Aku harus buru-buru sekarang, kalau tidak aku akan terlambat ke pantai." Dia mulai mengemudi lagi. Tiba-tiba seekor beruang besar datang dan berhenti di depan mobilnya. "Ya ampun," Pussy berpikir, "aku akan terlambat kalau begitu." Dia menambahkan. Beruang itu berkata, "Kemana kamu akan pergi, kucing bodoh?" Pussy was scared and replied, "I am going to the beach." The bear said, "Can you take me along with you?" Pussy thought, "If I say no to him, then he will harm me." So she said, "Yes, sir, please come in." Now both Pussy and the bear started driving towards the beach. Pussy ketakutan dan menjawab, "Saya akan pergi ke pantai." Beruang itu berkata, "Bisakah Anda membawa saya bersamamu?" Pussy berpikir, jika saya menolaknya, maka dia akan menyakiti saya. Jadi dia berkata, "Ya Pak, silakan masuk." Sekarang baik Pussy dan beruang mulai mengemudi menuju pantai. They were about to reach the beach, but suddenly the car stopped in the middle of the road. The bear asked the cat, "What happened? Why the car has stopped?" Mereka hendak mencapai pantai, tapi tiba-tiba mobil berhenti di tengah jalan. Beruang bertanya kepada kucing, "Apa yang terjadi? Mengapa mobil berhenti?"